I am placing the entire mainland of Luzon under quarantine.
Igwa na po kita nin sarong positibong kaso nin coronavirus sa Naga.
Naga City Humanitarian Volunteers was established recently this year. It was on March 16, 2020. The main objective of this volunteer support group is to assist the Naga City Incident Management Team, most especially our fight against COVID-19. I was tasked by our incident commander, Mr. Rene F. Bumba, to look for volunteers who could assist our operations. Primarily, we started from 5 clusters. From number 1, administrative support, public safety support, general services support, medical and surveillance support, and lastly, the logistics and transport support. So this group very essential, very important kasi hindi magiging successful ang aming operation without them. Since it's more than 2 months na being with them, especially me, I've seen a lot of growth areas, and indeed, yan, basically, hindi naman talaga sila magkakakilala. They started talaga from strangers, and now there's a sense of community, and you can see na as community grows, parang pamilya na sila in a sense na yan, you can see even after the operation, they're going together, kumakain sila sama-sama, na from the start they're quite aloof. Sino si Simon Argan?
Kang Inot, halos may na akong maginibo sa harong. So, kang time na may nag-contact sa kuya na kung pwede ako mag-volunteer. So, di ako nagduwang isip na mag-volunteer. Kaya basta ko yung mga tugang para makatabang kami sa community, as in para ma-share mo man sa muyang skills and talent.
Nag-volunteer ako kasi passion ko na talaga siya na magtabang sa mga taong nangangaibuhan in the best way that I can.
Nagkaigo po ako ng maugmahon na experience as a volunteer sa panahon ng pandemya. Inot na inot po na nakanood ako na ipalawig pa ang sakuyang pasensya bilang COVID-19 hotline volunteer.
So, sa mga nanonood ko kang pag-volunteer, so nasa-assign ako sa food distribution na yun nagtataon yung mga pagkakan sa checkpoints and other quarantine facilities.
Sa hotline, sa mga co-volunteers ko, madali ko man sinda naging ka-close since parehas man kami may heart.
Na-challenge pong maray ang sakuyang patience, but maugmahon po akong maray na ako nakatabang sa sakuyang mga constituentes. Bilang sarong volunteer, dakulaon pong maray na pribilehiyo ang makatabang sa panahon kang pandemyang ini.
Nakaka-stress siya pero enjoy kasi dawa stress ka sa mga nag-aapod, at the end of the day, pag na-resolve mo si problem ninda, solved ka na.
Sa kabustong nakaibanan, salamat kasi salamat sa pagtaon ng oras kasi sa pagtabang sa community para malabanan yung pandemic na ini. Lugod, pagtaon mo rin sa tuyong inspirasyon kasi masasabit ang treasure sa maabot na panahon. God bless us and Diyos mabalos po.
Para po sa mga frontliners, as in backliners, ipadagusta po ang satuyang pagpadangat sa pagtabang sa kapwa-tao. Lalo na sa panahon kang pandemyang arog kang COVID-19.
Hello, Naga City Humanitarian Volunteers. Thank you very much po sa serbisyong tinaonindo sa satuyang komunidad as in pagtabang sa Naga City Incident Management Team para mas mapauswag as in maging magayon po ang operation lalo na sa pag-atubang kay ning COVID-19 pandemic crisis. I know there are no words tantamount how grateful we are being with us for more than 2 months. And I hope from being a stranger and you come together where you're able to form a community, friendships, and relationship. I hope even beyond this pandemic, you continue to nurture that and you continue to develop that relationship that you have. And we are looking forward even beyond this pandemic to work with you in other activities or festivities that Naga City being implemented. So sana padagos lang kita sa pagtabang kasi nagtutubod ako na yan, service to humanity is the best work of life. Personally, ako talaga masasabi ko na yan, I witnessed a number of stories. I witnessed a number of stories and I observed some growth areas. And yan, habo kong maging emotional in a sense na pero may mga attachment na kita sa kada saro kasi sa paaraw daw tang paghirilingan ay ang iba sa indo nasa field, ang iba sa indo yung dun sa base na asin. Pero yan, kada ko lang akong nanoodaan sa indo na yan, lalo na kamo mga volunteers na yan, nagtao ka mo ning oras dawa aram ning do na may dakulang kandalan ang pandemyang ini pero padagos ka mo nagtatabang as in padagos ka mo yaon permi para maging magayon ang pasistema o magayon ang operasyon kang Naga City Incident Management Team.
You hold me close and whisper love. Your hand in mine more than enough. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. These battle scars know the road my heart has traveled on. But this love is strong, and you will carry me home. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. I belong to you alone. We could hold the world, watch it fade, but I swear to you, love remains. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. Love will find you, love will find you in my arms. I belong to you alone.
Simple gabos. Talaga.
Volunteer po ako passion ko na po talaga ang pagbo-volunteer ever since college. Ang mga
By the way, let's prepare for the another mic. For the second group.
Yan po kaya ma'am, di kami makasabi man kung ano.
Sa'yo mo ni dinago. Baka inapon mo na ni, tapos binurot mo lang.
I will recommend you this one. Very masarap. Galing Metro Peso. Thank you so much po sa nagluto. Masarap talaga.